Hello everyone and welcome to StockWisely, your go-to channel for market analysis and insights on stocks, cryptocurrencies, and more. I am Alex and I am excited to kick off this channel by giving you a brief introduction about who I am, what you can expect from this channel, and how it can help you become a smarter investor. First, let me introduce myself. I am an investor with 7 years of experience in the stock market and cryptocurrency space. I have a deep passion for financial markets and love to share my knowledge and insights with others. With this channel, I aim to provide you with the same level of in-depth analysis that I use in my own investments. What can you expect from this channel? StockWisely is not just another channel that will give you generic investment advice. Our content is based on a thorough analysis of market trends, fundamental and technical analysis, and global economic developments. Our aim is to give you a detailed understanding of the market trends, so you can make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, StockWisely has something for everyone. How can we help you? We understand that investing can be complex and overwhelming, which is why we will simplify it for you. Our analysis will cover various aspects of investing, such as market trends, key financial ratios, investment strategies, and much more. We will provide you with an unbiased view of the market, so you can make informed investment decisions. Our aim is to help you become a smarter investor and achieve your financial goals. Subscribing to StockWisely will give you access to some of the most detailed and insightful investment analysis on the internet. By subscribing, you will be the first to know about new investment opportunities, the latest market trends, and other valuable insights. Our goal is to help you make money, and we believe that StockWisely can be an important tool to help you achieve your financial objectives. Initially, we will cover these topics and much more. Stock market analysis and predictions for the upcoming quarter. In-depth analysis of trending stocks and cryptocurrencies. Investment strategies for beginners and advanced investors. Analysis of macroeconomic trends and how they impact the markets. Trading psychology and how to manage emotions in the market. Technical analysis and charting tools for trading. Updates on new companies going public and their potential for growth. Risk management strategies for investing. Daily analysis of forex and cryptocurrency pairs. We are excited to bring you all of these topics and more, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to never miss out on any new content. Thank you for choosing StockWisely, and we look forward to helping you make informed investment decisions. We hope you found this introduction helpful, and we look forward to bringing you the best investment analysis on the internet. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey to financial success. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what you think. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.